Hi boys and girls, it's me Butch. My name is Terry David Silvercloud. I'm not native, it just sounds that way. Today is the 19th of December 2021. Vancouver's been under a state of emergency since the storms. And because it's a sunny day today and a Sunday, I thought I'd come down and show you Vancouver's latest attraction. Ready, set, go. During the big storm we had, geez, it's getting on a couple weeks ago now, this barge broke loose from its mooring somewhere and it washed up here, and spared going down to the bridge down there. It's so bright I can't see my viewfinder, so I'm just shooting on the fly here and letting you see what I see. So this is the famous barge on the beach. That's sort of funny, because we have an attraction here called Barge on the Beach. If you're a local, you get the joke. Barge on the beach. So apparently this park area around here has been renamed Barge Chilling Park. And there's a sign somewhere, but I just got here, so I don't know where it is. So you're just getting my view of what's going on here. So here I am taking video. So I'm trying out this Q2n4K camera as a video camera. Usually I use it as one of my studio cameras. I'll link to my switcher, but today I'm giving it a shot outdoors to see what kind of image I'm going to get in 4K. And I can't see the screen, but I think there's something there. Hope so. And we'll just keep going. It's a nice chilly day. I'll get you back out to the real world here. You don't want to look at my ugly face. So I'm hoping that I get something here. I'll probably shoot it a couple times to make sure I do. That's a big barge. Turn it into a hotel if we get upright it a little bit, level it. Maybe just leave it the way it is. Yeah. Future hotel and restaurants on the beach. Best use. So you can see it's a really lovely day here in Vancouver today. Snow cap, that's the mountain off in front of you there. It's where the Olympic skiing was, Cypress Mountain. I know it's not a big mountain, but it's over, it's about 3,800 feet, so it's over 2,000 feet. So let's wander over here and get a different view. That's a very big barge. The COVID thing is really getting everybody down, and I know everybody wants to get out, and being outdoors is supposed to be relatively safe. I'm not worried about that. I had my third shot. I'm an old fart, so I'm supposed to worry. So I think I can go back the other way and look for the barge chilling sign. So here we go. I think I'll just keep rolling. And I'll edit all this later. I'll edit it all later. So this is the Q2n4K, and I'm shooting in 4K. I have my sunglasses on, which are prescription, but my eyes are so bad. My eyes are so bad in my old age that I don't see that well. That's why I like these new digital all-intelligent cameras. I just have to aim it, it does everything for me. Yeah, that's a big barge, all right. when you actually see it, you realize, yeah, that's a really big mother. That's really big. You could definitely put a hotel in there with a nice restaurant. You know, it's in a really nice spot. I think the city should buy it and turn it into a feature. That's what the city should do. That's my opinion. They've tried a couple times to refloat it at high water and no go. Todd said, I ain't going nowhere, or the barge said, I ain't going nowheres. And it hasn't. So I'm going to stop this recording here and start another one. Bye from Butch.